Today I'm going to show you how to set up a weatherproof lockbox, set it up, reset the code, and also install the shackle. The parts that come with this are going to be the hardware kit. You'll get also some installation instructions and then the actual lockbox itself. Plus you'll get the shackle piece that goes around your doorknob or wherever you're securing it to. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and slide down the weatherproof opening, revealing the code. Factory settings are default 4 zeros. You're going to press the button down and open it up. Once you open it up, you actually see it says reset here right next to this lever. You have two toggle positions, A and B. A is the lock position, so we're going to press that in and slide it down. Once it's in the B position, it sits there. You can actually see it locks in place there. We're going to go ahead and flip it back over, change the combination to whatever your code you want to be. I just did 4 9s to make it easy. And then once you have your code set in there, you're going to open it back and then slide that lever back up to the A position. So that now sets the code. So normally what I do once I've done that, go ahead and check, make sure the code works. I locked it, go ahead and closed it. It's set at all 9s, just press the button down and it works perfectly. Next thing I'm going to show you is how to insert and remove the shackle. So basically the shackle goes around like your doorknob or whatever you're securing it to. You can see the two holes at the top. There's a slide lever up under here, and you can see when I'm pushing it, it slides back and forth. Here's just up under the top, you can kind of see that little button there. I'm just pushing it to the left, and as I push it to the left, it's opening that locking mechanism. So we're going to push it to the left, go ahead and take the shackle and slide it in place. And once you slide the shackle down here, you just let it lock in place and it snaps and it's good to go. So that would lock around your doorknob or whatever you want to secure to it. If you want to take it off or you're changing the location of it, again, just take that lever, slide it to the left, pull the shackle straight out, and you're good to go. Hope that helped you, and hit the like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.